Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Unique Goa. Goa is a state of Bharat well known as an international tourist destination. Tourists are fond of Goa's nature, natural beauty, beaches, temples, religious places, and many other things. Here you can see views of Dr. Niharika from Delhi. Goa as my heart, Goa is paradise. Getting positive energy in Goa. These are the words of renowned gynecologist Dr. Niharika from Delhi. See details on Unique Goa. Subscribe, share, like
One Goa
Unique Goa.
and
Your
Goa's
channel.
tourism.
I mean, it's beautiful. You know, South Goa is a type of place which contains all the natural resources and all the beauty and the sea. The sea. People come here just for this. There are many places, the sea is all west coast, but the vibe you have in Goa, you don't get it anywhere. The openness, the great, how people are so open to you, welcoming to you. You don't get to see that everywhere. So it's beautiful for me. It's like a home for me every year.
This is the end of this year, and
I don't think so. It's the end. It's the new beginning.
yeah, new
It's the
beginning. Yeah,
of
okay.
something very, very beautiful.
What message you want to give Goans and all over India for Bharat?
It's not an end. It's a beginning.
Yeah.
And you have an energy in you, and you have the frequencies, and universe has the frequencies. You just everything you want, you desire, is already there for you. You just have to attract it. You just have to match your frequency with the universe, and you will have whatever you want. So be mindful of what you want to have in your life, subconsciously.
Are you belongs to any spiritual organization or any
No,
practice
no,
any spirituality?
No, nothing like
I
that.
think-
Nothing.
Okay. Anything you want to say about?
I don't know. I'm just happy that I'm starting my year in Goa. I'm just very happy, and I was just praying as we just witnessed the last sunset of 2024, and I just prayed. I just did the prayer. I did the prayer like 2024 is gonna be more beautiful. It's gonna be my year. It's gonna bring all the goals, all the achievements I want in my life. So I'm attracting that. You're listening, huh? I'm attracting that.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
All the best. All the
Now
best.
I start. Huh?
Here you can see some glimpse of Mobber Beach, Kavelosim. Also further views of Dr. Niharika on Goa and Goa's tourism.
Our Niharikara, same gynecologist from Delhi, who comes to Goa every year.
Yeah, because Goa has
Goa has your heart. So what message would you give? I saw you in deep prayer and meditation as the last sunset goes down. So you said it's a new beginning.
it's a new beginning because universe is listening. Don't think that you will just say something out of the mind and subconsciously believe something else. Because universe is listening to you at all times. Subconsciously what you believe universe is listening to that. Like God is paying attention to that at all times. So just be mindful. Whom you share your energy with, what you think when you're silent, and how you attract things in your life. So be very mindful.
So you believe in energy more or spirituality more?
I believe in energy and frequency.
So you definitely feel that all energy and we automatically think, connect. Is it true? That is what you believe in?
I believe.
So
I believe everyone we meet in life, we have attracted back. At some point.
So do you think that you still believe in that everyone we meet, everyone has a message for everyone?
Totally. There is no doubt about that. God has a unique way of answering your praise. So if you're meeting someone, somewhere, sometime you have asked God to have that connection in your life subconsciously. You have no idea, but you have done that. So God has it's funny. It has its own way of replying to your prayers.
So it's more secret, the book titled Secret, than your spiritual books.
I have not read the book. I should,
But I think you might have heard about it because it's all about energy, whatever you...
Yeah, actually I have not read the book to be very honest, but I will, because many of the people say it's a great book and I will read it. But the one I want to recommend everyone is The Miracle Morning and The Power of Subconscious Mind. It's a great book. Truly it's a great book. You will realize how powerful you are and how you have everything. You want to sit with the president, you can do that. Just the right frequency and energies.
What message, the last thing, now as we begin the new year, it's a new beginning. What message you have?
Just live your life. Just live your life. No regrets. No regrets. Just live your life.
One life.
One life. One road. Just live your life.
Thank you.
Here you can see some glimpse of Maubour Beach, Cavelossim. Also further views of Dr. Niharika on Goa and Goa's tourism.
The positive vibes. What is exactly that positive vibe in Goa or overall?
It's a vibe. It's a feeling when you feel whole in yourself, when you feel content, when you feel everything is perfect, everything is aligned with the energy, the source energy. You can call it anything you want in your life, but you feel content. Something bad, you just heard some news, that won't shake you. That won't shake your belief because you are so strong in your belief. But he's there, and it's his way. So I'm very this kind of person, to be honest. So everything happens. I'm like, okay, next, okay, I accept next. So I'm like that.
Okay.
He was doing.
Yes.
So that is connection.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं यूनिक गोवा। सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, लाइक यूनिक गोवा, योर चैनल।